acquaintances, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to catfish, but with brows. And yes, I know my eyelashes are janked up. Let me breathe, okay? Relax, let it go. Whatever, cool, bye. So I'm just gonna jump right into this video and start. As you guys can see, I literally barely have eyebrows. What I personally use, just because I really like in your face brows, like really bold brows, I go in with this e.l.f. I don't know if it was like an eyebrow pomade or an eyeliner, but I'm pretty sure it's an eyeliner. I go in with this dual sided brow thing dip, and then I just go in on my little mirror. Hello, so it's voiceover me. Basically what I'm doing right here is outlining the bottom half of my eyebrows, focusing strongly on the tail part of my eyebrows. Wow, look at the huge difference already, and I've just did the bottom and drew my tail. Like, honestly, the problem with my brows isn't even one, they're not dark enough, and two, I have no end, I don't have a tail on my eyebrows. It's just really concentrated in the first first half of my brows. So I'm just going in and doing my best to fill in my eyebrows following my natural shape, which is kind of tough because, as I just mentioned, I don't really have that much at the tail end. Now I'm just doing the exact same thing onto my other eyebrow, which is just outlining the bottom part of my eyebrows and then concentrating on the tail end, trying to just get a shape going because a sis is struggling. So while I do this, I really do try to do these hair-like movements or motions, as you can see, but it'd be tough. So if you're doing your eyebrows, just honestly do your best. I don't think it's that deep and all of that stuff. Just, follow your eyebrow shape and then fill it in, it's like kindergarten, color inside the lines. But yeah, that's what I'm doing here. And then in the front part of my eyebrows, I do try to go a little bit lighter just to have that gradient effect that all eyebrow YouTube tutorials have said, slash every influencer out there does their eyebrows like this. So I think it's just monkey see, monkey do type of thing. But yeah, now I'm just doing the exact same thing onto the other eyebrow. LOL, now this is me just peeping to see and make sure my eyebrows are relatively the same. More footage of me filling in the bottom half of my eyebrows. To be 100% with y'all, eyebrows is just a game of trial and error, just because it doesn't, at least for me, come out perfect all the time. So it's just going back and forth with filling them in and just making sure you're getting the right shape that you desire or want on your face. Ew, I just said the same thing twice. So I am going into the other side of the eyebrow tool thing that I was using, which is the spoolie, just to really emphasize the whole gradient effect in the front half of my eyebrows, just so it's not harsh eyebrows or harsh lines at the very front and onwards to the end. This is what it looks like. So now I'm just going to go in with my NYX concealer and apply it above my eyebrows to just fix and correct any mistakes that I've made. And I just use a regular brush to do this. I'm pretty sure this is an eyeshadow brush, but I'm using it for this purpose. And I just line the shape of my eyebrows, as you can see, and do my very best to just blend the rest into my forehead. Don't do what I'm doing right here, because as you can see, I'm going in a downwards direction, which, just watching this back, it looks really bad for my skin. I could just see all the wrinkles formulating. But yeah, this is me doing the exact same thing to my other eyebrow. I'm just following the shape and then blending it into my skin, as you guys can see. Now I'm about to just fix up the little unibrow situation I created for myself very messily. Don't do that at all. I feel as though this is the most important step in my whole routine, which is setting my eyebrows after I do everything with my face setting powder. I just go over my eyebrows as so and dab them along, and then I go in after all of that and just fix any areas that I feel as though the powder might have muted down. But yeah, that is it for this tutorial. To be honest, just take everything that I've said with a grain of salt. I'm not a professional. This is literally just what I do for my brows, and I'm just trying to help you feel. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it was a voiceover, but I literally could not speak and explain what I was doing at the same time. So yeah, I feel like the quality is gonna be a little bit ass on this video, but like it's fine, it's cool, I'm not hurt. Yeah, hope you guys enjoy it. I'll see you guys in my next video. As always, like, comment, and subscribe, as well as stay safe, y'all. Stay safe. Bye. You should subscribe because I'm a fun time. Look at my nails, y'all. Ew, bootleg. From afar, they look cute, though. Yeah. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you'd like to see more of me. And, that is it for this video. I'll see you guys next time in my next video. And, oof. That is not the one. I'm gonna do it again and again and again till I get the one.